Infectious diseases are diseases caused by pathogens. Emerging infectious diseases are diseases that are caused by new, previously unknown pathogens or diseases which have increased in incidence or geographic range. In recent years, there has been significant increase in incidence of zoonotic diseases such as Ebola and Nipah virus infection. Zoonotic diseases are diseases that existed in animals and have jumped from animals to humans. COVID-19 is also an example of a zoonotic disease. Wildlife habitat destruction and encroachment are the main reasons for the emergence and spread of zoonotic diseases. Contact between humans and wildlife is increasing. Moreover, due to encroachment, animals retreat to more cramped conditions, increasing spread of diseases among these animals. Presence of domestic animals adds to the problem, as domestic animals can serve as intermediate amplifier host for transfer of diseases to humans. When diseases rise in animals, it is a cause of concern to humans, as close contact or consumption of contaminated meat can serve as a source for introduction of the disease in humans. Another group of diseases which are seeing rise in incidence and geographical range are vector-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue, leishmaniasis, and Japanese encephalitis. Deforestation and encroachment again play major roles. Deforestation leads to water accumulation and emergence of breeding grounds for insects that act as vectors for spread of these diseases. Scientists worry that global warming will also lead to emergence of new diseases. Maintenance of body temperature at 37 degrees Celsius protects humans from many diseases caused by pathogens adapted to colder environments. For instance, 95% of fungal species cannot grow at 37 degrees Celsius. This is why fungal diseases are so rare in humans. However, as global temperatures are increasing, microbes will adapt to warmer temperatures. Fungal pathogens which only infect insects and cold-blooded animals will then be able to infect humans. Moreover, vector-borne diseases are mainly concentrated in tropical and subtropical regions. However, as Earth warms, the geographical range of vector-borne diseases will increase. Thus, it is important that we leave wildlife alone and develop a more sustainable relationship with nature to avoid future rise of novel and deadly diseases.